Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your account into Prime Video in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to add your account into Prime Video, just simply open any of the web browser that you use, and after opening the web browser, go to the search button and search for Amazon Prime Video. And then after searching, this page will appear and the first option will be amazon.com sign up for Prime Video. Just simply tap into that option, and after tapping into there will be two options for you. The first one is to Prime Video member sign in, and the second option is start your free trial. If you are already a member, tap to the first option, and if you are new to Amazon Prime Video, then tap to the second option. I'm already a member, so I'll tap to the first option here. First of all, put your email address into this box and then click to continue. Let me do this real quick. After entering the email address, it will ask for your Amazon password. Just simply enter the password into this row and then click to sign in. Now this way you can very easily add your account into Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.